Look, I'm on this. I really am. No, it's not. Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. Welcome to the Pure... Hang on, have a look. Let me show you. Welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? You know how long that took to carve? Do you imagine how long that took to carve? A solid, out of solid wood, from the master carvers in Bali. Welcome everybody. December the 4th. As promised, every day I shall do a special offer that is going to be wonderful. And today is no exception. Today we're going to do an immune booster kit. And I think we all need that. So, how do we do that? Well, if you know me by now, sage is my number one cleanser and clearer of negative energy. So, you have three sage from the Alpujarras. So you can cleanse yourself many times. Then we have clears, attachments. Beautiful. Spray, 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 cleanse and clear away. What is in this beautiful one? Sage. Makes sense. Then, blend of a healer. Perfect. Then, purification oil. The purification is cleansing and clearing and detoxing you. And next, the cleansing oil. Makes sense. All three oils are really powerful to help you. All you need to do is go to the search bar on here and type in each of those oil names with my name on, and you will see various videos showing you how to use it, including the spray, how to use that too, including sage. So all you need to do is type in Mark Bajerski cleansing negative energy or Mark Bajerski how to sage, and you'll get loads of videos. So that is going to be my special offer. Whatever that price is going to be vastly reduced for you today. I hope you appreciate it. There may be, I don't know, 5 or 6 kits available, so enjoy it while it lasts. This is today's special offer on markbajerski.com. From my heart to yours. Have a beautiful day. Love you all. Take care.